Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense and another day of homographs with me, S.L. Rockfish. Today we're going to take a look at a homograph that is 4 letters, has 2 different pronunciations, and 2 different meanings. English, why? Because there's 150 of them or more in English. And today's homograph is B-A-S-S. Short A sound, bass, the freshwater fish. Then B-A-S-S, long A, bass. But it's bass. But now it's bass. And bass is the lowest adult male singing voice. You know the bass. Because it's all about that bass. Got that bass. Got that bass. Then we have bass guitar. Boom, 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 boom. A bass guitar. Got it? Bass with the short A means a fish. Bass with the long A means the lowest adult male singing voice, or the bass guitar. Why does English have 2 different pronunciations and 2 different meanings of the word that looks exactly the same and is spelled exactly the same? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Our bass player is an avid bass fisherman with a deep bass voice. What? Come on, English!